Modules in JavaScript. In JavaScript, modules are organized code into separate files, each containing related functionality. This helps improve code maintainability and reusability by breaking down complex applications into smaller, manageable parts. ECMAScript 6 introduced a standardized module syntax using the import and export keywords. For example, first we create a file component.js, and inside this file, we create two functions. First is export function add, takes two parameters a and b, and return a plus b. Export means this function is exported and accessible to other modules. Another function is greet, take one parameter username and console log hello username. Now make this file as module by write type equals module. Now inside script file, import those functions by write, import, then inside curly braces, write functions name, add and greet from file path. Now I use these function by write, console log add and pass 5 and 3, then call greet and pass coders as username. And it shows me add is 8 and hello coders.